what's up? It is Sunday morning. It's like 10:30 right now, and today is the day of Zaire's first birthday party, so I'm so excited. I have a lot to do, and it's like his party starts at 2 o'clock, so yeah, I gotta hurry up. But at the same time, black people ain't never on time, so we just gonna see how it goes. And I'm about to take a shower, wash my hair, because I'm gonna blow my hair out and like do a cute little flip shit, whatever. I don't know. I just want to do a cute little hairstyle with my own hair instead of like the ponytail. But if it fails, the ponytail's going back up. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in a minute. So I just got out the shower. I just washed my hair, so I'm about to blow it out and do it. And then I'm gonna get dressed, and then I'm gonna start prepping some of the food and stuff. And then I'm gonna come back and do my makeup like right before we go outside, because I'm gonna have to go outside to like set up the balloons and stuff. So I don't want to sort it out, so my makeup will probably be like the last thing I do. But yeah, let's get ready. Hair, and now we're about to start prepping the food. I'm gonna start with like the food trays first, like the fruit trays first, and like put those in the fridge, and then I'm gonna go outside to the gazebo to start trying to like basically pinpoint where I want to put my balloons and stuff. I did finish the garland. I'm gonna show you guys. I have Zaire on me because he's being a little brat right now. So this is the garland, or the balloon garland, that's gonna go over the gazebo entrance where everybody's gonna be walking to. And then from there, I just gotta make sure I can even put it up on the gazebo, so hopefully I can. There's trees around, so that's what I'm scared of, because it's a possibility they can break. And then I bought these little hooks so I can tie the strings to them on the thing. And yeah, so I'm just gonna start prepping everything, and we'll check back with you guys when, well, I'll check back with you guys when I get ready to go outside and get everything ready for the gazebo and setting up the party table. Alright guys, so it's like 1 o'clock now, so now I'm about to go set the gazebo and put like the tablecloths on the table, and then when I go back to the house we're gonna put everything in the car and then start setting up outside, so that once everybody starts arriving we'll be good to go with food and everything. Oh, this light is bad, sorry y'all can't see me. Okay, now y'all can see me. So yeah, I still have to do my face and get dressed, so that's what I'll do most likely while Darius is cooking on the grill. And yeah, so while Darius is gonna come outside and start cooking on the grill, I'm gonna be getting dressed and doing my makeup and stuff, and then I'm gonna bring all the other food out, like the fruit and stuff, because the fruit I want to be as fresh as possible for them when they get here. So yeah, so I'm at the gazebo area now. 1, 2, 3, 4 tables. I don't think I can move them, but I'm not gonna try. Look at you being a crybaby. He is not dealing with us today. So, officially to the party now. But Garland didn't come out like I thought it was, or like I wanted to, just because of the way the gazebo was. So, it's just what it is. So, whatever. But everybody's eating now, and then shortly after we'll probably do happy birthday. This is my outfit. I can show you guys a better fit check when I can put him down. But right now he's just been being really bratty. He's been crying for like the last 20 minutes. He doesn't like being around people. He's not used to being around people, so he doesn't like being around other people other than me and his dad. So that's just that. I almost forgot to show y'all. I got my nails to match his thing. Hold on, it's not focusing. So yeah, it's so cute. Okay, good morning guys. It is Monday. Today is Zaire's official 1-year birthday. We had his party yesterday and so it turned out pretty good. My balloon garland didn't turn out like I wanted it to, which I'm upset about because I really wanted to take pictures and really like, you know, get the whole thing aesthetic of that. But overall the party turned out great. Everybody showed up and it was just a good time. We made just enough food for everybody because there were a few like extra guests. So luckily we did get more than enough. Well, we didn't get more than enough. We got just enough food for everybody. So I can't believe it. I feel like I just had him. Like, time really goes by too fast. Like, I'm just I don't know, I'm just so sad but so happy at the same time because he's grown up. But I just want him to stay my little boy forever. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning up so we can eat and get ready for the day. guys, it is Tuesday morning and it's about 8:30 and we're on the way to Zaire's doctor's appointment. This is his 1-year checkup, or I don't know, it's not really necessarily like a 1-year checkup because he's been to the doctor within the year he's born, but he has an appointment today. What is going on up here? But yeah, so we're on the way to Zaire's doctor's appointment, and then most likely after I may or may not run some errands. I just haven't decided yet if I'm gonna do that, so we'll see. Alright, hey guys, so we're in the doctor's office. He just got like weighed and measured, and he had to get like a little finger prick. He's trying to bite his band-aid off now. He got bananas all over his outfit, like it didn't even last for 5 minutes. But yeah, he got a finger prick so they can check his iron and hemoglobin levels. So now we're just waiting for the doctor to, you know, check everything else and make sure he's good. He's really trying to bite his band-aid off. Why are you trying to bite your band-aid off, man? But I mean, he didn't actually like cry at the prick of like at him getting pricked. He cried with the fact that they had to like basically squeeze his finger to get the blood out to get stuff that they need for each thing, I guess. And that's what made him cry. But he was fine otherwise. But most likely I won't be able to vlog once the doctor gets in here, so I will check that with you guys when we get in the car. So let me turn this off now. Alright guys, so just left Zaire's doctor's appointment, and it wasn't so great, and honestly, like, I want to cry, but I'm gonna try to keep my composure for this part of the video. So basically, Zaire Zaire had to get 4 shots. He got 2 in this leg and then 2 in that leg, and now he's eating a hash brown. You're a greedy butt. Oh, it's 2 o'clock. So, came back from Zaire's doctor's appointment, and then just went home and I fed him and he went to sleep. So the doctor's appointment didn't go that well, unfortunately, which is very depressing. It just kind of has me feeling very anxious and worried now because unfortunately Zaire hasn't gained any weight within like the last time he visited the doctor's office, which was maybe around his 6-7 month mark. So because of that, like because of him not gaining any weight, I hate when I'm trying to get over and then the cars will drive fucking slow, and then when I start to speed up, they want to speed up. Like, it pisses me off. But anyway, back to what I was talking about. So Zaire unfortunately hasn't gained any weight since his last visit, and that's not a good thing. It's very concerning. And I've been breastfeeding him a lot, but he's also been eating like regular food, but he doesn't eat enough of like solid food for him to basically get the nutrition he needs. And because he's always breastfed, he doesn't get enough fluids either, because aside from that, like when I give him water and juice and stuff like that, he doesn't really drink it. Like, he'll drink it for maybe a few seconds and then he'll throw the cup and then he wants to go to the boob. So his doctor advised me that I need to stop breastfeeding and wean him off the boob and start giving him regular milk. And he gave me like Pediasure to give him so he can gain weight. And also he just gave me a whole bunch of options of stuff I can do to help him gain weight, like stuff to eat and stuff like that. And Zaire, if you guys have been watching like the vlogs and stuff, you know that I've mentioned that Zaire's been constipated and stuff, and he was saying the fact that he's constipated is him being constipated is coming from him not getting enough nutrition and not enough food. So his body is basically like trying to eat itself up so that it can make up for the nutrition he's not getting, and that's why his poop will be hard and why it's hard for him to get it out, because his body doesn't have anything to, like, I guess digest, if that makes sense, because he's only drinking breast milk and breast milk is not enough. And I know breast milk is not enough, and again, like I said, I've tried to like give him certain meals. Like I try to give him breakfast, snack, he takes a nap, and then he'll get up, have a snack, and then lunch, and then another snack, and then dinner, and then that's it. So it's just he never would want to eat his entire meal. He always wants to like just get on the boob. And the doctor said me doing that, he's thinking like, well, why should I eat if I have you? Because he's comfortable with just me giving him the boob, so he already knows he's gonna get the boob every time he eats something, or he doesn't want it anymore, which he said I need to stop. And so it's just a lot. And like I really was in that office like wanting to cry, because I'm just like, oh my god, like what do I do? Like how do I fix this? Like I want him to gain weight. So today, since I've been back from the doctor's office, I haven't been giving him my boob, and he hasn't been basically breastfeeding, and he's been throwing a fit every time. But luckily he's been very receptive to let me park first before I finish talking, y'all, because I don't want to hit nothing. Okay, so luckily he's been very receptive to taking the bottle. Like right now I don't have like whole milk, because that's what the doctor told me to get him. So I don't have whole milk because I don't drink whole milk, but I have almond milk. So I gave him almond milk for the time being so that he could eat the almond milk or whatever. I said eat the almond milk. Drink the almond milk. I just started like over analyzing in my head, you know, the Virgo in me started doing all this extra shit and overthinking. It was just like, oh my god, I'm a bad mom. Like, how am I like not giving him enough? And you know, why am I'm doing this parenting thing all wrong? Like, I'm just basically blaming myself for everything as to why he hasn't gained weight and why he isn't eating, when I already know that I've done everything, when I already know that I intentionally try to feed him as much as possible and give him as much as possible and making sure that he's full and stuff like that. But unfortunately my downfall is giving into him and let him breastfeed when he should be just eating, or you know, on a bottle or something like with actual milk. And the reason why he suggested whole milk is because milk has like fats in it and stuff like that, and he was just like, you could mix it with your breast milk so he can get used to the taste, and then you know, eventually he will just take that. So I don't know, it was just a lot, and I did want to cry. I didn't cry earlier. I tried to record the video, but because it was just so much, I was literally about to cry as I was recording, so I just stopped the thing, and I'm like, I was just like, I'm not gonna add this. So yeah, it's just a lot, because I'm like really worried now, and I'm really just hoping that he's able to like just adjust to not taking the boob and really becomes receptive to taking milk and or like eating a lot more, or eating bigger portions than what he's been eating, because I do need him to be healthy. And the doctor said, like, if he, like, with him not gaining weight and stuff, he can get sick really easily. And, you know, COVID is pretty heavy everywhere, so that scares me. And I'm just like, I don't know, like, I'm just so, I don't know. Like, I really, after hearing that news today, like, I really feel like I really feel like I failed as a parent already within 1 year. And I also found out that he's anemic as well, which I am as well. So I had to get him multivitamins to where I could break it and like crush it onto his food so he can have his iron for the day and stuff like that. So it's just really a lot, and it's gonna take a lot of adjustment for the both of us. But I'm about to go into Walmart and get everything I need for him. So good morning, guys. It is Wednesday morning. I didn't end up vlogging yesterday. We had to make breakfast for Zaire and myself, and today I'm thinking about going to wash my car and clean it out because it's terribly. All right, guys, what's up? It is like, it's 6 o'clock now, and I actually have not done shit today. Because it's 6 o'clock, I am about to make dinner. Zaire just woke up from a nap. He was asleep for like 2 hours, so I'm about to make dinner. I'm making chicken that I got from Trader Joe's. It was like an already marinated chicken, and thinking about making mashed potatoes and something else. I just don't know what that something else is. And while I'm cooking, I'm gonna give Zaire his little grilled chicken from Chick-fil-A that he had, and probably give him some fruit with it until I'm done cooking, and just to hold him off for the time being. What? So yeah, I don't know what's going on though. Like, I really feel like I need to cleanse my body or something, or do a detox. But yeah, I bought vitamins too. Oh yeah, I didn't even show you what I got at Walmart yesterday. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got at Walmart yesterday, like vitamin wise, and like the stuff I got for Zaire. What she doing? What she doing? What you doing? So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and then we're gonna start cooking, and that'll probably be all I do today, because by the time I finish cooking and stuff, he'll be ready to go back to bed. He got to take some medicine because he has like thrush in his mouth, so they gave me like this oral medicine for her to go away. He has to take it 4 times a day, so he's already taken it twice, and I'm gonna give him another one right now since he just woke up. And then once like 5 minutes goes by, I'm gonna go ahead and give him his food and let him eat. And yeah, so let me show y'all what I got at Walmart. So I got vitamin C, which is for your immune health, and it says vitamin C is a potent antioxidant and an essential nutrient that may support immune, cardiovascular, and bone health. So I got that. And then I got cranberry, which is for urinary tract health.
Where you going, man?
I don't know which brand this is. This is Nature Made, so it's for your immune system and doable. So this one's like a gummy. Everything else is like actual pill form that you got. So and then I also got the maca vitamins, or maca, however you want to pronounce it. And this is to support overall nutrition and male and female hormone functions. Vitamins with iron, and I have to like crush that up and put it in his food. Doctor gave me Pediasure. I decided to get some more for like when I do give him. He gave me chocolate and vanilla, so I bought strawberry and I bought banana. Cleaning the kitchen every day is just too much. Like, I don't understand like why this is a thing. Like, it's so ghetto. about to be 7 o'clock and I'm about to make this salmon rice that's going viral on TikTok because for one, I love salmon, 2, rice, and I don't like the Japanese mayo, and then the seaweed. I don't know why it's this much, but this is what we could get. And so, I mean, honestly, I probably should have just got some at Target or something, but whatever, it'll work. We're gonna use this. And then I have the salmon in the sink, and I still am in where I was in all day. This is a little set from Amazon. It comes with the pants and the robe, and it's like cottonish. It feels really good, and it's very comfortable. So I've been in this all day. Good morning. It is Saturday and I'm about to wash my face, brush my teeth, and do something to my hair and like try to look presentable today. It's just been a rough couple of days. I've been really stressed out, and I don't know, I feel like I've been getting depressed in a way because every day I feel worse. And yesterday I kind of just had like, I'm not gonna say a breakdown, but like I was just so frustrated and I literally screamed out loud in the apartment and like just ran outside just so I can breathe because I'm just like, I don't know, I'm just it's just a lot going on. And or I didn't really vlog much Thursday either, I don't think, just because it's just been a lot. Just being a mom, make sure Zaire is okay and he's eating, because if you were keeping up, or if you got to that point in the vlog about when I took Zaire to the doctor, he hasn't been gaining weight, and so it's just a big like concern right now. And I think ever since I found out like basically he isn't healthy, it's just been putting a lot of stress on me, and I've been having a lot of anxiety, and like I haven't been taking care of myself really. Like I haven't been eating, I haven't been sleeping. So yeah, I'm trying to be as present on my vlog as possible, but just with all that going on, I just couldn't vlog, or I just wasn't in the space to vlog, so I didn't vlog. But today I actually am not feeling at all great, but I'm trying to vlog today just to see if that will possibly get me in a better mood. Like I'm thinking about, I was supposed to go get my car washed and cleaned out, but I didn't go, so I'm probably gonna do that today. And then I wanted to like just go to the park or something and paint and basically just have some like nature therapy, and maybe that'll clear my mind and like just relieve some stress and stuff. So I'm just gonna try to do that. But yeah, I'm about to go wash my face and brush my teeth and everything, and then we'll try to get the day started. Right now Zaire is asleep, so he's taking his morning nap. Let me show you. He's sleeping on the couch and not in his crib. he's eating chicken and carrot raviolis. You can see. But I'll make sure he just gets some food in him before we leave. And then I'm gonna go wash my car. Hey guys, so I'm just coming on here to let you guys know that it is the end of the vlog. So I know my vlogs have probably been pretty chaotic because I'm just learning how to vlog and getting it together, but y'all please bear with me, stick with me, okay? We gonna get it together. I keep saying it, we gonna get it together, okay? If you guys like my video, then give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you want to continue to follow me on my journey. And just if you would like to keep up with me. I will see you guys pretty soon and in my next video.